Hi everyone, welcome back. So the weekend is approaching and there's nothing better than a good roast to make it epic. So today we are making a good old roast. So who doesn't like a piece of a good old roast chicken? So here's how I make mine. We start for marinating our chicken. I like to butterfly my chicken. We turn it around and we put the knife into its back. Open it. We cut the backbone. We open it like a book. Turn it around. We can take these bits. And now I'm gonna start my marinade. The first thing is 2 teaspoons of salt. 2 pieces of garlic. I'm gonna grate the garlic. The zest of a lemon. A few bay leaves. A teaspoon of sweet pepper paste. Pepper. A little bit of olive oil, and now you massage your chicken. And for last, the juice of 1 lemon. Don't let any seeds go into your chicken. And now I like it to let it rest for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna make the bed for my chicken with some vegetables. So I'm gonna use some onion, some white onion. Some cherry tomatoes. I like to cut them in half. These gonna roast with the chicken and really gonna become kind of caramelized vegetables. And a bit of chopped chili. So now I have all my vegetables cut. I add a little bit of salt. I transfer my chicken into a bowl and make the bed for my chicken. My vegetables. Into these I add a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. I transfer my chicken back into that, and this goes now into the oven for about 40 minutes. And now we can get on with our sides, and this is where I get really excited about the good roast. How many sides can you get? Our traditional roast potatoes, I like to roast them with the skin on. I cut them in half, a little bit of olive oil, some salt. Another one of my favorite vegetables to roast is beetroot. I like to peel my beets. I like my beetroots in big pieces, so I just slice them, put them in another corner of my baking tray. Again, olive oil, salt, with the sides for my roast. There's always a moment where I like to try new things and really get the picture. So today I'm gonna do a side that can actually be a very good main course for a vegetarian having a roast. So I'm gonna stuff a butternut squash with some mushrooms, broccoli and some feta cheese on top. Because you want the butternut squash to hold your stuffing, I'm gonna keep the skin on this one. I'll put a bit of olive oil, salt, and this now goes into the oven for about 20 minutes. And now we can start working on our stuffing for our butternut squash. So here I have some garlic, some mushrooms, into the pan goes olive oil and garlic. Now I add my mushrooms, into these mushrooms I'm gonna add some broccoli. So I'm gonna cut them in small pieces. As soon as the mushrooms start to brown a little bit, you add the broccoli. A little bit of salt and black pepper. Cover the pan, low heat, for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we can chop some parsley for our stuffing. So our broccoli and mushrooms are now cooked, so we will add half of our parsley. These are almost done. What I want to do is scoop out the roasted pumpkin. Mix the pumpkin with my mushrooms and broccoli. So I'm gonna chop a few nuts. I have almonds, I have Brazilian nuts, and I have a few hazelnuts. Half of these go into our stuffing, and I mix this up. I'm also gonna add a little bit of feta cheese into our stuffing. Oops, I think I have done too much stuffing. Oh, I have an idea for a breakfast then tomorrow. A little bit of my left chopped nuts and parsley, and a little bit of more of feta cheese. Our chicken seems to be ready. Now we should let it rest for about 10 minutes and then we are ready to serve. With my roast, I really like to serve it in a sharing platter style. So I usually use my wooden board for that. I use a sheet of vegetable paper. So now we are ready to serve.